Hi there, Chris Hassenberg here with a quick video update from Hassenberg Financial Group. I recently came across a book called The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, and I wanted to share with you three takeaways I took from that book. The first is misunderstanding that people have about money has to do with compounding. And of course, everybody knows the earlier you start, the better. But one of the things that people don't understand is how important it really is, and that at the time of the writing of this book, Warren Buffett, widely considered one of the most successful investors in the world, has a net worth of $86 billion, and of the $86 billion, $82 billion of it came after his 65th birthday, which is interesting, and also the idea that he started saving when he was 11 years old. So key takeaway number one is that you can never start too early. The second key takeaway had to do with volatility, and that a lot of people look at volatility as a fine instead of a fee. And what we mean by that is if you park in an illegal parking spot and you get a ticket, okay, that you look at as a fine is something to get you to change your behavior, and you probably will try not to do that again. Versus if the best parking spot in the lot had a fee where you had to put a quarter into the parking meter, you'd be more than happy to park in the best parking spot. And that's the way to look at volatility in the market, that really volatility should be looked at not as a fine, like you did something wrong. If the market drops, your accounts drop, it's not a fine. It's more of a fee, and it's the cost or a fee to have the best long-term investment program going forward. And so that is one way of looking at it. I thought that was a great takeaway. The third one has to do with diversity and diversification and how important it is, and having investments in many different types of investments, whether it be stocks, bonds, cash, but also out from there. We got real estate if you own a home and so on. But in your investments, we have the ability to buy basically anything publicly traded. We can buy gold and silver through exchange traded funds. We can buy real estate, commercial real estate. We can buy oil. There's lots of options, and we have all of those at our fingertips. And with our investment advisory program, we really do have a lot of options. And so I wanted to share these three key takeaways with you from this book I thought was interesting. If you have any of these areas that you'd like to discuss, and you'd like to schedule a meeting with us, please feel free to give us a call. We appreciate the opportunity to serve you, and as a resource, consider us a resource for your friends, neighbors, and relatives. Best way to do that would be to give us a call at 715-839-6566, and I'd love to schedule a meeting. As always, be well, take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.